Hello everyone, welcome to my channel One Stop Placement. In this video, I am going to tell you about strings in Python. Generally, string means group of characters or a group of words. In Python, we use single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes. These triple quotes are used for commenting, and these single quotes and double quotes are indicating the strings. The data that are enclosed between single quotes or double quotes are defined as a string. Let us see how to initialize the string. For example, if you take the word hello world, if you want to initialize to a variable, we can assign directly. For example, let us take str is equal to hello world. This is the initialization of a string. We have to use double quotes. Now let us discuss about accessing the characters in string using index. For example, if you take hello world, this index value will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If any space is present in between, the space is also character and it will have a separate index value. Here there is no space, so no index value is for that space. Now if you want to access from backwards, you have to start with -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9 and -10. String is an immutable. For example, if you take str of 0, it will give you answer as h. But if you give str of 0 is equal to I, it will give you error because strings are immutable. We cannot change this h to I, so it will give you error. Now we'll discuss about two operators, that is plus and star. Plus is used for concatenating two strings. We have to use only the two strings, string plus string. We should not use string plus integer. It will give you error. We have to use only string plus string so that we can concatenate the two strings. For example, if you take s1 is equal to hello, and if you take s2 is equal to world, if you print s1 plus s2, it will give you hello world without any space. This is the concatenation of two strings. Now star is used for repetition of string. For example, if you want to print hello 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 5 times, we will write as print hello hello like this 5 times. Instead of writing these many 5 times, we can use operator star operator. We can use like s1 is equal to hello, print s1 star 2. It will give you hello hello 2 times. In this star, we should not use two strings. We should use only one string and one integer. This is the correct, and we should not use string star string. It will give you error. In Python, we don't have char data type. But if you want to get only single character from the user, you have to use s of 0. For example, if you take s is equal to hello world, if you get s of 0, it will give h. So that by this way, we will get the character. Now we will discuss everything clearly in the demonstration part. We already discussed string is a group of characters or a group of words. Now let us discuss about initialization of string. For example, if you take s1 is equal to double quotes hello world. When you print s1, it will give you hello world. And we included the data in between the double quotes, so it will be treated as a string. Let us find the type of s1. See, it is giving you string data type. Now we'll discuss about accessing of string. It starts from a 0th index, and from the reverse order it will start from -1. Now let us see s2 is equal to Python space programming. If you print s2 of 0, it will give you p, because 0th index p is the present, so it will give you p. And if you take s2 of 1, it will give you y. And even space is considered as a single character. For example, if you type s2 of 6, it is giving you space, because even space will be taken as an character and it will have some separate index for space. And from the reverse order, if you want s2 of -1, it will give you g, because in Python programming word, g is the last letter and it is giving value g. And if you print s2 of -2, it will give you from the last second letter, it is n. And we already discussed string is immutable, that means we cannot change. Let us try. s2 of 0 is equal to some x. I want to change s of 0 to s of 0 value to x. I want to change p to x. Then it is giving me error because x is not defined. We cannot change. For example, if you print s2, it is giving Python programming. It is not changing p to x. And so we can say that string is an immutable. Now let us start with concatenating the two strings. Let us take x is equal to hello and y is equal to everyone. If you want to add these two strings, you have to print x plus y. It is giving hello everyone. See, there is no gap between hello and every. It will not give any space. It will give when you include the space and the double quotes in between. For example, if you take some a is equal to Teddy space, and if you give b is equal to beer, if you print a plus b, see it is giving Teddy space beer, because we have included space in the double quotes of a, so it is giving space, otherwise it will not give any space. Now if you try with one string and one integer, let us try. Some c is equal to cat, d is equal to, let's take 2, and if you print c plus d, it is giving you error, because we should not concatenate string and an integer. We should concatenate only two strings. And let us start with an star operator. Star operator is used for repeating the same string. For example, if you take d is equal to dog, if you print d star 5, it is giving dog 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 for 5 times, and it is not giving any space. If we add space in double quotes, it will give you space. And now let us try with two strings. For example, if you take s is equal to sun and m is equal to moon, if you give s star m, it is giving error, because we cannot use two strings in the star operator. We should use only one string and one integer. We will discuss built-in functions in strings in the next video.